In northeast Georgia, how late is too late to plant sweet corn? Now, first of all, backyard gardeners will get in fistfights with each other on the relevancy is growing sweet corn in the backyard viable. That's up to you. I can grow it much. I can buy it much cheaper at the farmer's market than I could ever grow it in the backyard garden. We did it once. We put a lot of energy into it, a lot of input into the soil in order to get very nice corn for a video on our website, thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com. And we did it once, said we did it, we filmed it, wonderful, great. If you want to grow it in your backyard and you have the ability, have at it. Here's the question. Is it too late to plant sweet corn in the backyard? I'm going to be pulling some radishes and broccoli soon, then thinking about planting corn in those boxes, so raised bed. So anytime you plant sweet corn, there on all plants, it's days to maturity. That's what we're wanting to look at. How many days to the mature date? Sweet corn can be anywhere from 65 to, I believe, 105, 110 days. Whatever time frame you're in, wherever you're at in the country, you can figure out when your first average frost date is in the fall. My first average frost date in the fall, enter zip code, and it will say, let's say, October 15th. So you back off of that, whatever your days of maturity is on your corn. Let's say it's 100 days. Then you add 2 more weeks to that because that is only an arbitrary number that's been calculated by a 10-year average of frost. You could have a frost date of October 15th and not have frost for another 60 days, or October 15th is your frost date and you have it 3 weeks prior to that. So whatever that time is, you've got to do garden math and figure out when you can plant and add 2+ weeks, 10 to 14 days to that harvest, that dates of maturity, and you should be fine on whatever, sweet corn, potatoes, whatever it is. That's what you want to do.